What's up guys, Billy with Side by Side Stuff, and today we're looking at the Windjammer rear panel by MotoRoof. The Windjammer rear panel is a dust barrier made of a high quality mesh material. It's designed to reduce dust from rolling back into the cab of your UTV. It also provides an additional 80% shade factor for the rear of your machine. Made specifically for outdoor use, the Windjammer is constructed of UV resistant Razor-Tex mesh and sewn with heavy duty Gore brand thread. The Razor-Tex mesh is infused with microban. This eliminates the concern of mold or mildew if exposed to water. Plus, the vinyl coating is waterproof, keeping it from soaking up any water. This rear panel features a no-flap design, allowing it to remain attached at any speed. And it installs in just minutes with zero modifications to your side-by-side. The MotoRoof Windjammer rear panel is available for a variety of UTV applications, comes with a 2-year warranty, and is made right here in the USA. To purchase this product, visit sidebysidestuff.com. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And to see more videos like this, subscribe to the Side by Side Stuff YouTube channel.